Hey folks, Rogers Motor Cars here. We got a pretty cool truck. Got this on trade. 1969 Chevy C10 Custom. It's a long bed, two-wheel drive truck. It's got a 307. Its numbers matching. 307 automatic trans. Very nice truck. It's been refurbished. White with green interior. Really cool. It's got the sticker on the glove box still. And back here we got a bed liner, spare tires there. The paint's really nice on this truck. It does have exhaust with X pipe underneath, so it sounds pretty healthy. But it's not a fast truck, not a hot rod. Very clean, original. Trim is in excellent condition. That was changed out when the truck was painted. Inside, got those original panels looking great. All green interior. This is new. Underneath this, I've got pictures. That's all dynamited underneath here. All the gauges are working. Factory tack. Sounds good. Horn even works. Well, it did. There you go. Battery gauge, temp gauge. It's about 110 degrees here in Houston today, and this thing's been idling while I'm taking pictures, and it's looking great. Supposedly that's true miles, 79,000. Not making any promises there. It does have a Bluetooth radio. Cup holder added. Heater. Very nice. Headliner's in great condition. Looks great. Sliding rear window back there. It's a cool truck. Drives real smooth. Power disc brakes. That's factory. Nice and quiet. Pretty soft ride actually. I got on the highway earlier today and it thing cruises really nice. Straight as an arrow. You can let go of the steering wheel and it is dead straight. So nice truck for any car show, parade, take it out to your farm. Go ahead and follow us on Instagram as well, Rogers_Motorcars. Subscribe to our channel here. We've got a bunch coming in this week. And we can do deals with you anywhere, remotely, via email, text message. Pick up the phone every time it rings. Easy to get a hold of. And we can ship this thing right to your doorstep. So hope to hear from you soon. Call us if you got questions. We got undercarriage pictures, engine bay pictures all up on the website, rogersmotorcars.com. Thank you.